Some people in this hobby say the waiting game is half the fun, but if you're impatient like me, I'm sure you wholeheartedly disagree. So for people like us who can't wait for GMK group buy lead times, I dedicate this video to showcase some of my favorite in-stock keycaps available right now in 2022. First up is the GMK Blue Samurai available on drop.com. And if you're not a big blue fan but love red, they also make these in nice deep red colors, and both variants are in stock at $150 each for the full base kit. This set goes well with any navy, black, or surprisingly rose gold boards. And here it is on my navy Acco Mod 007. Next up is GMK Kaiju, also available on drop.com. This set is designed by Neflock, who also created Metropolis, which is one of my all-time favorite key sets. The set draws inspiration from Japanese Godzilla movies, and I especially love seeing the orange accents and legends, which are uncommon in key set colorways. The base kit of this set goes for $150, and I think it would pair really nicely with E-White or dark green boards. Next is an unbeatable classic, the GMK White on Black, which you can often find on drop.com as well as Amazon. As the name suggests, the set has a simple colorway of white legends on black keycaps. And I'm telling you, the set works on any and every board. And I also love the black and white accent caps. Here's how they look on my black VJF. This set is currently back ordered on drop.com, but still available on amazon.ca for 183 Canadian dollars. Next is the first PBT set of the video, the Infinity Blacklight. Believe it or not, this set is currently on clearance as an in-stock item at $90 at the Key Company. My favorite pairing with these keycaps are anything black or purple polycarbonate. And as you can see, the packaging design is just 10 out of 10. I like these so much, I own 2 sets. Continuing the PBT theme, we have PBT Doggy from Keys for All next. This set is also manufactured by Infinity, and the base kit only costs $95, but do keep in mind that the set does not have numpad support available. The final production unit has really nice muted beige tones, which I prefer over the original renders. This set goes really well with white or black keyboards, as you can see here on the E-White Freebird TKL example. And before I forget, I'll make sure to put the links down below in the descriptions for all of these key sets if you want to check them out yourself. Coming in at $69 over at KBD Fans, next up is the most budget-friendly option of the bunch today. It is the EPBT Pink on Black, and despite the manufacturer's name, the set is actually made with ABS material, so just keep that in mind. I often recommend this set to people that want GMK Olivia Dark but on a budget, as they look very close and feel great to type on as well. I haven't tried these on a board yet, but I think they will look perfect on a rose gold or black board. And last but not least, this set pleasantly surprised me with its quality and clean colorway, and it is the Polycaps Corn by Kinetic Labs. Priced at $79, these PBT caps work surprisingly well with a wide variety of board colors, and I especially love the new icon mods Kinetic Labs started using instead of the text mods found on some of their old sets. And that's it for today's list. This is a new format of video I am trying, so I would really love your input on if you liked or disliked this format, highlighting in-stock items that are actually obtainable. Thanks again for watching, and a belated Happy New Year!